Today we will learn this question, that is example, prove that 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. So in the proof, 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, this can be written as a secant square a divided by cosecant square a, because already we know the identity 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. This identity already we are knowing. Similarly, we know that 1 plus cot square a is equal to, what we know, this one cosecant square a we know already. So according to this, we can write here now secant square can be written as 1 by cos square a divided by 1 by sin square a we can write, because we know that 1 by cos a is equal to sec a and 1 by cosec a is equal to sin a. This you can take, or sec a is equal to 1 by cos a, sin a is equal to 1 by cosec a you can write, or you can write this one, this identity you can use 1 by sin a is equal to cosec a. This identity you use this and this. Okay, so this example, so if you make it like this will be 1 by cos square a. When 1 by sin square a go to the up, it will become sin square a divided by 1. So this is nothing but what, sin square a divided by cos square a, which implies what, tan square a. So this is what we required here in the question. So in the question it is like this: 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to, we got tan square a. Similarly, 1 minus tan a by 1 by 1 minus cot a whole square can be equal to tan square, that we need to prove. So for this one, what happens, see here. So for the second one, it will be 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square. So this can be written as like this: 1 minus tan a can be written as sin a divided by cos a. So this will be all divided by 1 minus cos a divided by sin a. Means cot a is equal to cos a by sin a whole square. So this identity you can write sin a by cos a is equal to tan a, and cos a divided by sin a is equal to cot a. By this identity you can write this one. Okay, now you take the LCM here. If you take the LCM, what happens here? So here nothing is there, 1 is there. Here also nothing is there, 1 is there. So in the upward side, cos a means cos a minus sin a you will get, whole divided by sin a in LCM, and here it will be sin a minus cos a you will get. Correct. So if it is getting like this, so whole square, so you can write like this here, whole square. So now what happens, now this can be written as cos a minus sin a divided by cos a into sin a by sin a minus cos a you can write. This is nothing but whole square. So in the next step you can write what you can take here. Here you can write by taking LCM. This one. So this will be what? So this can be written as, this is equal to, now if you make minus common here, it will be sin a minus cos a. Okay, take minus sign, so you will get like this, divided by cos a into sin a divided by sin a minus cos a. So this will be square. So this and this get cancelled same. So in the bracket, minus sin a by cos a whole square will be there. So minus into minus will be plus. So after cancelling, it is remaining like this. So this will be minus tan a whole square. So this is equal to minus into minus plus, so it will be a tan square, which is equal to true. So since we know that sin a divided by cos a is equal to tan a, so for both 1. Okay, we are getting tan square a. So this is the answer. So we will have one more example here. Okay, so next example is this one. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So here sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Squaring on both sides, you will get like this: sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. Okay, here square and root get cancels. So here it will be, you apply a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is nothing but what? Sin theta, and b is nothing but cos theta you can take, and you apply here. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, which is equal to root 3 whole square. Here root and square get cancelled, and it is remaining what here? It is remaining 3. So here it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, you know already. So it will be 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. So you can write here 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. 1 if you transfer to the right hand side, it will get minus 1. So here it will be 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2. So this can be written as sin theta cos theta 2 divided by 2. So 2 get cancels. Here it remains what? 1. So sin theta cos theta is equal to what now? It is getting 1. So we got sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Okay, so now take tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 we need to prove. So tan theta plus cot theta you can write, which is equal to tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, plus here cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So if you take this one, take LCM here, sin theta cos theta, in the upper side here it is cos theta, so multiply by sin theta, so it will be sin square theta. By taking the LCM plus cos square theta, it will remain. So this will be 1 divided by sin theta cos theta, we got here 1. So 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So this is the answer. So just you can remember, this is very important. Okay, we will have one more example. So next example is this one. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So in the proof, now already it is given that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. So keep sin theta here only, and root 2 cos theta you will write. This cos theta you transfer to the right hand side, you will get minus cos theta. So here it will be sin theta, which is equal to, what is the common here? Cos theta here. So into root 2 minus 1. Okay, so this will be what now? You can write like this: sin theta here only is equal to, you can write here cos theta into root 2 minus 1 is there na. So you can make root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. Okay, you can divide and you can multiply like this. So this is whole divided by, you will get. Okay, now this get cancels, again it remains same. So you can make multiply and divide by root 2 plus 1. Now cross multiply, so you will get what? Root 2 plus 1 into sin theta, which is equal to what? Cos theta. Here it is root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, a plus b, a minus b formula. So this will be root 2 whole square minus 1 square. So you can apply here a plus b, a minus b formula, which is equal to a square minus b square formula. Okay, if you make like this, it will become root 2 plus 1 into sin theta, which is equal to, here it will be cos theta. So this is a root 2, root and square get cancels, 2 minus 1 it is. So this will be root 2 plus 1 into sin theta, which is equal to cos theta. 2 minus 1 is 1 only, so it will remain as like this. Okay, now the important thing is that multiply this one, this will get what? Root 2 sin theta plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta, multiply with this to this and this to this. Okay, which is equal to cos theta. Okay, but now root 2 sin theta as it is equal to cos theta. Here sin theta, if you transfer to the right hand side, you will get what? Sin theta. So this is the proof. So see here, show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So it is same as like this, root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, we will have one more example. So next example is this one, tan 2 to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant square square theta. Here sec to the power 4 theta. So consider LHS here, tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. So tan square theta you can take the common here. So here it is remaining what? Tan square theta plus 1. And already you know that tan square theta plus 1 can be written as secant square theta. So into secant square theta by the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is the identity. Okay, so you remember this one, so it will be very useful for you. So now you can write this tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. Okay, so this is, by this one you can write what? Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta 1. If you transfer to the right hand side, it will be minus 1. So this will be secant square theta into secant square theta is secant to the power 4 theta. Secant square theta into 1 is secant square theta, minus is there, minus secant square theta. So this is the example. Okay, see here, secant to the power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Why I am converting like this? Because there is the identity relation, this one tan theta and sec theta. You can write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. By using that you can write down like this. So you can have the homework also. So here you can have the homework. So these two problems you can solve. Okay, so like here you take cosec theta common, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta is there, that you can write. Here also, here cos theta can be written as 1 cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. By like that, if you take LCM and all, you will get this one, or you rationalize this one. The denominator 1 plus cos theta is then multiply and divide by 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, you will get the answer.